There is an issue in Blender. When you install it, everything seems to work, right? It's great, it's fantastic, it's super fast. But if you go to cycles, then you want to switch to GPU compute. Sometimes you can't, right? Because you need to enable it in your settings. So basically you need to, usually this is by default, so you cannot enable it. So you need to go to settings and you need to turn the hip version, but there's an issue where this thing does not show up. It just says no available video card. Update your drivers, blah blah blah. The funny thing is, and again, the default is OpenGL backend. When I turned to Vulkan, I had this showing up. I had my Radeon AMD RX blah blah blah. I had my video card showing up here. It was here, but it wasn't here in a Cycles render device. So there are several ways to solve this issue. Again, I'm not always sure what exactly might be causing that problem for you, but you need this crap. So this Rockham whatever stuff, this is what helped me. I tried many things. I tried many different solutions, many different videos, but basically nothing worked except for this. And what you need to do is basically you need this, like I tried updating my drivers. I went to official non-open source drivers. I tried to do all of that crap, but basically none of it worked. You need this software essentially, and it is quite a heavy software. So Rockman is also open source. Yeah, I did not know that. So basically you need this stack of software that is quite heavy. It's about 20 gigs, but without it I was not able to run Cycles on my GPU. So you basically need this. Let me actually find, I'll be back in a second. Let me find. So yeah, I found this. So basically this is it. So all I did is rock and download Linux. That's all I did. This is the first result. And yeah, so it essentially gives you all the info that you need to do. So installation guide, you just open up your terminal, you do this, you can just copy paste it, and that's what I did. So I'm using Linux Mint, which is based on Ubuntu. I don't know, it's based on this basically. Ubuntu, I think that's how it's pronounced. So basically, yeah, I just did this, and afterwards it worked. Also, there is something like this line where you need to change the username for your drivers or for your video cards, something like that. I did this, but I don't know if it actually done anything, because I did this didn't help. Then I installed Rockham, so I ran this line, and then everything worked. So basically, yeah, before I did this, nothing was helping, nothing ever worked, and I was already thinking about moving to Eevee, and there was a great video from Blender Guru on how to use Eevee and all that tricks and optimizations for Eevee so that it works and looks just as well as Cycles. By the way, I do recommend that video, and I still plan. This issue inspired me with trying Eevee and actually switching to Eevee. Maybe it's a good idea if you like configure everything properly and it looks nice. Why not? So basically, yeah, again, if you're having issues with Blender not seeing your video card here in cycles rendered devices. That's all I needed to do, basically. Maybe not all, but yeah. Welcome, download Linux, this thing, then you come here, you copy this, you run this, and yeah, it just works. Oh, and by the way, this apparently is already here. So this already changes, yeah, add the current user to the render and video groups. So yeah, basically this is all you need. This does everything you need. This solved the issue. And I've been really racking my brain with this for about 2 hours, and this is all I needed. A few lines of code. Yeah, so you copy this, you put this into your terminal, and yeah. So now you know, if you're having this issue, this is what helped me, and probably this will help you too. This is, as far as I can say, the only issue why you might have this problem. I mean, as long as your GPU is actually supported by cycles, and yeah. So have fun creating.